Hello friends, Satyendra here, and in this video, let's hide cosmetic sketch from the selected drawing view in Creo Parametric. So let's get started. So if you see this drawing, I have 3 drawing views with multiple cosmetic sketches. Now my task is to hide this particular cosmetic sketch from this drawing view. So the general way to hide sketches or cosmetic sketches from any drawing, just go to the model tree, select the cosmetic sketch, right click and hide it. But when you use this technique, it hides that cosmetic sketch from all the drawing views. So this technique is not helpful in this case. So I'll just unhide it. So here my task is to hide this particular cosmetic sketch only from this drawing view. So when you have this kind of requirement, the easiest way to hide any cosmetic sketch is just select the drawing view, go to that view, right click and say erase cosmetic. It will remove the cosmetic sketch from that particular drawing view. But again, this technique is not helpful all the time. This technique only helps when you have one cosmetic sketch visible on that particular drawing view. So for example, let's say I want to hide this particular cosmetic sketch from this drawing view. I don't want to hide this one. So if you select this drawing view and go to the view and right click and say erase cosmetic, it will erase all the cosmetic sketches available in this drawing view. So that is why this technique is not helpful all the time. This is only helpful when you have only one cosmetic sketch visible which you are trying to hide in that particular view. So in this case, I was having only one cosmetic sketch visible, and that is why I can go with erase cosmetic. Now the same technique I cannot use for this drawing view. If I select this drawing view, right click and go for erase cosmetic, it erases all the cosmetic sketches from this drawing view. Then what if I want to hide only this cosmetic sketch from this drawing view? So for this kind of requirement, we have another technique which is active layer object selection technique. And for this, first you need to access the layer tree. So go to the layer tree. Now once you have the layer tree, change it to active model. Currently it is on top model. So I'll change it to active model. Now once you change it, just create a new layer. I'll take layer name as CS, cosmetic sketch. Then I'll select the cosmetic sketch which I'm trying to hide it from this drawing view. Just say OK. Your layer is created. Now this layer is having that cosmetic sketch added which I'm trying to hide. Now once this is done, go to the drawing properties, go to prepare, drawing properties, change and change a setting from here. So just go down and look for this option. These options controls layers. Here you go for this particular option, ignore model layer status. By default it is no, make it yes, add change and close it. Once this is done, now you go for active layer object selection, click it here, select this drawing view, select the layer, hide it. Now you see, that cosmetic sketch is removed from this drawing view, but it is still there in this drawing view. Same way, let's say I want to hide these two cosmetic sketches from this drawing view and I want to keep this cosmetic sketch as it is. So for that, once again, first you go for active model, create a new layer. Again, this time I'll take layer name as CS1 and then I'll select this cosmetic sketch and this cosmetic sketch from the drawing views. I'll say OK. Now you go for active layer object selection, select this drawing view and then you have that layer here, right click and hide it. So you see that two cosmetic sketches are removed from this drawing view and it is still there in this drawing view. If you want to unhide it, just go for show and it will be again visible. Similarly, if you want to unhide this cosmetic sketch, then first you go for active layer object selection, select the view and then unhide the layer. It will be again visible. In case you want to hide both the cosmetic sketch from this particular drawing view, then no need to go for active layer object selection. You just select the drawing view, right click, go for erase cosmetic. If you want to hide all the cosmetic sketch from this particular drawing view, then select the view, right click, erase cosmetic. So now you understood both the techniques, active layer object selection and erase cosmetic, and this is how we manage the cosmetic sketches in different drawing views in Creo Parametric. So that's it from this video. Now like the video if the video is helpful, subscribe to this channel to support the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.